Hey everybody, this is Scott from the Canadian Fisherman, and today we're talking about cleaning walleye. I'm really pleased to be able to show you 3 different techniques for cleaning walleye. Now, we're going to show 3, but there's a bunch of different ways, and I'd say the best way to clean a walleye is the one that you're the most comfortable with and the one that gets you the most meat off of each of the fish. You know, so when you're harvesting a walleye, you want to make sure that you're getting as much of that great meat as possible. But a few things to take a look at when you take a look at these 3 different ways. In our first situation, we come underneath the pelvic fins, we're starting off at the bottom. And then what you're going to see is that basically both fillets are going to come off attached at the same time before you separate them. In another version, you're going to see we're doing cross cuts at the pelvic fin before coming down the sides. Lots of different ways to do it, but check out these 3 really great techniques to make sure that you're getting the most meat off your walleye. And if you're cleaning a bunch of them, these are all really fast techniques. Now, if you like what you're seeing, do me a favor, hit subscribe to the channel. That way you're gonna find out when we post more great content for you, everything related to fishing. We're here at Brace Lake, and we're gonna show you how they clean the walleye here at Brace Lake. So, we're going in on the fish. So, why don't you give us a commentary? So you go underneath the fins. All right.
Center there. Flip it over.
And you're just running down the spine there?
Yep.
Nice. So that's butterflied,
yep.
2 nice fillets. Then you'll cut them up.
Cut it in half and you're good.
Sweet. Here at Brace Lake again, this is owner-operator Kyle Pileski, and he's going to show version 2 how he cleans walleye. By the way, using a beautiful North Arm knife from British Columbia.
The secret is a sharp knife. So I do things a little differently.
Well, I say, so you go from the anus up to the fin.
Yeah, a little different. I guess it's just over time everybody's style evolves.
One. We are here for take 3. How to clean a walleye up here at Brace Lake Outfitters. Let's have a look. On the side. Now this is looking a lot like the way Kyle does it. Not yet.
Usually like leaving that half on.
And you do that just so you give a more level surface on second fillet?
More level.
Yeah. Wow, nicely done. I hope you enjoyed those 3 different ways to clean walleye. If you like that, a couple other videos that you might want to check out. One is the one that we did recently on how to clean a Northern Pike bone-free. Fabulous video. And also you might want to check out the review to my North Arm knife that was actually used to fillet all 3 of those walleyes. One of the things that you really need to clean fish is a great knife. And my knife from North Arm Knives is just a fabulous tool. So check that out. And again, don't forget to hit subscribe. We want to make sure that you know about all the great content we're going to share.